We are proud to welcome 𝗍𝗶ৃ Holdings to our family of more than 200 dynamic enterprises listed on SGX Catalyst. We celebrate your achievement thus far, and we look forward to your reaching new heights in the years ahead.
通过此次的上市，我们将扩大业务范围，加大科技的投入，为未来奠定更坚实的基础。
Today is a historic day for 𝗍𝗶ৃ Holdings. I thank our professionals and the Singapore Exchange team for guiding us through the listing process. We will continue to innovate and transform automotive solutions in Singapore.
Good morning, everybody. It's just gone 9 o'clock sharp Hong Kong, Singapore time, and we've got an IPO and a gong show.